My name is Stephanie Nakamura, and I'm the creator of Miyuki Crochet. And I guess it started with just kind of making hats, and now I'm doing swimwear, so it's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy, like people don't associate crochet with sexy, but I would like to say that I make sexy swimwear. I often do model my products, and I guess people would assume that I'm like always like, ooh, like always like sexy, but I'm not. I'm like a total dork. But it was fun. We shot there twice, and it was really great. We did all kinds of photos and videos. We had flowers and lemons and limes. Got in the pool a lot. Check it out. This season it's different because I'm using different types of materials and incorporating it with crochet. So like you can see here, I've got like spandex type things with crochet trim. I have cut neoprene and I'm adding crochet to it. So it's different, it's exciting, it's more challenging for sure, and it's like a different realm that I haven't done before. When I think of the girl that wears Miyuki Crochet, I think of this like really empowered lady boss. Like a woman who's like, I'm hot, I know what I want, I know what I like, and then goes after it. Like someone with like a fierce confidence and also a love for things that take more time, for things that are handmade. I think of this like a really cool lady boss who like knows about shopping local.